Welcome to Norddampf and thanks for joining us. Today we'll explore the 3 best vaporizers from Norddampf, aiming to find the perfect fit for you. Before diving in, here's a quick but important disclaimer. This video is strictly for educational purposes only. Now let's get into that disclaimer and I'll be right back with the details after. Thanks for sticking around with us through this review. Now let's take a moment to discuss the 3 different models as they come from distinct price points. The RELICT is Norddampf's flagship vaporizer, priced at 129 euros. What's great is that the package includes more than just the basic device. It comes with a longer black mouthpiece that enhances comfort and 2 dosing capsules, so you're all set to start using it immediately and have everything you need for convenient on-the-go sessions. Following that, we have the HAMMAH Vaporizer, which is a newer model from Norddampf and sits under the 100 euro price range. To be precise, it costs 99 euros. Included in the package, you also receive an additional mouthpiece that's a bit longer and comes with the steel pod system. This system adjusts the heat and cools down the vapor slightly more, improving the overall vaping experience significantly. Another newer model from Norddampf is the VOITY, which really focuses on style as its main selling point. While it's quite a simple device in terms of design and operation, it boasts a significant advantage over the other 2 models we discussed earlier. We'll explore that unique feature and what makes it stand out in much more detail just after this segment. Let's dive into the facts. We have 2 different heating methods here. Starting with the RELICT vaporizer, it uses conduction heating with a special dual heating technology. Unlike typical conduction vaporizers that only heat the outer walls, the RELICT also heats the bottom chamber. This ensures the herbs heat evenly, leading to efficient vaporization and denser vapor. It's a smart design that really enhances the vaping experience. By the way, the other conduction vaporizers don't have that specific feature. Now, the HAMMAH and the VOITY are both hybrid vaporizers, which means that not only do the chamber walls heat up, but hot air also flows through the chamber itself. This unique design uses hybrid heating technology. Why go through all this trouble? Well, it maximizes efficiency and really boosts both the flavor and the effects you experience. So why pick the flagship model, the RELICT? I'd say it comes down to 3 key words: handy, versatile, and reliable. Temperature and versatility. From 160 to 240 degrees, precisely adjustable, covering every heating range, including higher temps from 220 to 240. You can really crank up the heat here. Perfect for beginners or anyone who needs a bit more lung pressure to get used to vaping. So the RELICT definitely has its sweet spot here. Hash, concentrates, bubbler. The RELICT covers all your needs and more, including a bong adapter at Norddampf. It's a versatile device designed for long-term use with upgradable add-ons. It comes with dosing capsules that have extract pads, perfect for concentrates like hash or rosin. For convenience, there are capsule caddies to carry capsules on the go. Its vapor power and airflow stand out, delivering consistently satisfying hits every time. Here, you get a durable device that covers all your needs and is super affordable at just 129 euros. Honestly, you can't go wrong with it. What makes the HAMMAH stand out? 3 words: HAMMAH, HAMMAH, HAMMAH. It's easy to use with 5 preset temperatures from 180 to 220 degrees Celsius, offering a great balance of control and simplicity. It's super light and fits easily in any pocket. You'd be surprised how lightweight the HAMMAH really is. But don't be fooled. Despite its size, it produces impressive vapor with rich flavor. At this price, it truly stands out with no real competitors. The HAMMAH scores high in every category. Plus, there are great accessories already available, like different glass mouthpieces, offering longer cooling paths for smoother hits. The vapor tastes better than ever. Plus, they're adding a bong adapter and bubbler soon. So stay tuned. This setup is all about long-term fun and versatility for your sessions. And what about the cheapest model in the lineup, the VOITY? Honestly, I'd sum it up in 3 words: simple, volume, and style. It's not just a beautiful device to look at, it's also incredibly fun to use. Its ultra simple design really smooths out the workflow. You'll find just 3 buttons, 1 power button and then 3 temperature settings to adjust the heat up or down. These temperature levels range from 175 to 200 degrees Celsius, increasing in neat 15 degree steps. But what really stands out with the Voity is its powerful heating chamber. It's not just the tech inside the Voity that's impressive. The capacity is seriously something else. You can pack in a full 0.5 grams of herbs, which is a bold amount for a portable device. This isn't your average fill, it's quite brutal, and the heating tech matches that intensity perfectly. The chamber is made of glazed ceramic and features infrared heating, which might sound fancy, but it really works. To vaporize half a gram evenly and efficiently, you need this kind of setup. The combination of conduction and infrared heating makes it super efficient, and then convection rounds it out, ensuring you get the best vapor quality every time. No other device, even among the pricier ones, is as efficient as the Voity with 0.5 grams. So, who's the Voity for? Anyone who's all about volume. If you're used to packing bigger loads, you've just found your buddy. You toss in 0.5 grams and trust me, 1 session and you're definitely satisfied. As you can see, each device has its own reason to exist, so really you just need to figure out what matters most to you. But I can assure you, no matter which one of these devices you decide to go with, you really can't go wrong. I've put all 3 through their paces myself. Quick little plug, on my Alpha Smog channel you'll find all the classic reviews. And very soon I'll be dropping a special 2-year update where I talk about my daily experience using the RELICT Vaporizer. This way you'll get a real feel for what it's like to use the RELICT from Norddampf over the long haul. So, do you already own one of these, or is there one that's been catching your eye lately? If you have any questions or thoughts, please drop them in the comments below. I'd really love for you to tune in again next time. For now, I'm signing off. Cheers, and see you next time.